honest review. In this video, we're going to be talking about an incredible platform that allows you to put cash in your wallet in your free time by simply watching ads, okay? This is a dream come true for many of you social media users out there. You can simply go ahead and watch ads for yourself in the world of finance, okay? It's a game changer where payments will be made to you for small business owners, or you could be an entrepreneur and you might want to make money in the quickest and the most easiest way possible by simply doing online activities. This platform is definitely for you because transactions are made faster, safer, and more convenient for you, okay? It's an absolute game changer in the world of finance, and we're going to be getting straight into it. Now, to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to payrib.com. Over here, it says you can get paid by keeping your eyes watching new offers and services from advertisement companies during your spare time. All right, that is how incredible this is. And it says earn for your regular online activities. You just need to build your profile, surf the ads, and get paid. Okay, you can discover multiple reward options like Cash App, Venmo, Pix, PayPal, etc. And there's definitely more ways to earn where you can refer Payrib to other people, where you both can earn. You get quick and easy polls by completing questionnaires and short surveys to earn cash. You get challenges with bonuses to take unique challenges from Payrib and increase your earnings. And obviously there's good promoting partners for them as well. So if you want to go ahead and sign up right now, you're going to go ahead to get started. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a temp mail for myself, but you don't necessarily have to do this. If you're doing this for the long run, definitely do make sure to use your proper email. So what we're going to do is we're going to add our full name. Once we have done that, we're going to go ahead to our email. Now, once you've added your email, go ahead and add your password. And once that is done, simply click on create account. Now, once you click on create account, it's going to get you straight in. Okay, it basically brings you to this section. So we have Payrib, okay? You can see currently in my account, I have $7 available. All right. So my top daily advertisements are right here. I can earn $0.44, I can earn 0.53, 0.46, and it shows the time that it's going to take you to do these surveys as well. And it says you can earn up to $5.88 by taking this survey. So let's go ahead and do that and see where it takes us. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on take survey, and it says what is your highest level of education. You can go ahead and add whatever it is. I'm going to go with bachelor's degree. How often do you shop online? I'm going to go with monthly. Okay, what is your age group? We're gonna go with this. Which device do you use most often for online shopping? I'm gonna go with laptop, desktop. What types of products do you most frequently purchase online? Let's go with clothing and accessories. What is your preferred method of learning about new products? Let's go with social media. How do you prefer to interact with brands online? So you can go ahead with, either engaging with ads or following on social media. Which factors most influence your online purchase decisions? Let's go with product quality. Okay, how important is it for you to see eco-friendly or sustainable products in ads? Okay, then it says, how often do you consider ethical factors, which are basically fair trades, cruelty-free, when making a purchase? You can go ahead with, sometimes or often. Now, it says, do you prefer receiving personalized ads based on your interest? Let's go ahead with yes on this. And it says, which types of content do you consume more or most frequently online? Okay, I'm going to go with entertainment, like movies, music, and TV shows. What motivates you to make a purchase online? Let's go with discounts or promotions. Do you find online shopping more convenient than in-store shopping? Yes. Have you ever experienced issues with online payment processing? And have you ever returned a product bought online? Now, once you have done this survey, you're pretty much going to go ahead and submit it. And once it has been submitted, as you can see, you now have 12.88 earnings. How incredible is that? And let's go ahead and take up a few more offers for ourselves, okay? So let's say I'm going to go with this offer. It's going to give me 0.54 USD. Now here it brings us to this. So it is basically asking us to create an account with this, or mainly just watch an ad for this. So as you can see, The ad timer loads you up. Okay, you're simply supposed to wait for this. Once this is done, click on complete, and look at that, we have gained more money. So once the money is in your account, you can simply go over to payout options. Okay, once you go to payout options, you do need to make sure that you have at least $100 before, going ahead and exporting the money out. Now, you can do it through bank transfer, you can do it through Venmo, you can even do it in USDT, PayPal, Cash App, etc. So bank transfer is really simple because what you're going to do is you're going to connect your bank account, okay? And obviously at least $100 is needed, so keep that in mind. Once the $100 mark has been met, you can simply come here, click on withdraw. It's going to ask you your bank's routing number and ACH number that you can get from your bank pretty easily. So get that information and get your money diverted straight to your account. That is how easy and simple this has made things for us. All right, then moving on, you can also go ahead and see all of these other offers that they give you, obviously away from your dashboard. So if you go over to the high offers section here, as you can see, these are high paying offers that, obviously if you opt through, it's gonna give you a lot of money. So here it says complete the survey to be eligible to earn more than $5,000. So would you make a great career online and become a millionaire? Let's go ahead with these questions. Okay, how do you make a living? I am self-employed. What is your average income per year? Let's go with that. What is your financial goal? Let's say start my own business. How much would you invest right now to get closer to your financial goals much faster? You're going to do that, and as you can see, it's going to go ahead with your score. Okay, and here it says, just get the offer. You're simply going to go ahead with these advertisements. Don't worry, it's not going to bring an error in anything. It's all pretty straightforward and simple stuff, so nothing to be worried about. All right, so simply go ahead with all of these steps, and what this does is it obviously unlocks the chances to give you more money. And obviously as you go over to high offers again, you're pretty much going to check all of these offers that they provide you, go ahead and complete them, and see your earnings go up. Now you can also get feature challenges. So here it says complete 30 steps by watching mixed advertising websites. Create a YouTube video talking about Payrib. Now that can get you from 7 to 150 US dollars. Okay. So here it says create a video about Payrib that's 5 minutes or longer. Select the number of subscribers on your YouTube channel. Now, if your channel is over 50,000 subscribers, obviously you're going to get paid the most. But if it's under 5,000, you're going to go ahead with this. Here it says make sure to insert your referral link below in the video description. And obviously with your referral link, people are going to make money. You're going to add in your YouTube account, add in the YouTube video. And these are small ways to earn good amounts of money. Then here it says increase your YouTube video views to 2,000 plus and audience support with likes. And it's going to give you $100 for that. How incredible is all of this? Now we can also move over to referrals, which is also a good way to make a good amount of income. Now over here, you can see your pending referrals, your confirmed referrals. You can also invite friends to earn much more, where your friends join Payrib using your invite link. You can earn $1 when your friend starts earning on Payrib, and your friends get a $7 bonus upon registration, where you are rewarded with 10% when your friends makes withdrawal. How incredible is all of that? And here is going to be your invite link. You can simply copy it, go ahead and send it out to people. People can go ahead and access your referral directly through this link and come over to the Payrib website. So, generally this is all there is when it comes to Payrib. You can also unlock more rewards for yourself if you want to by getting these limited chances, rewards, and profits. So here it says get a chance to win this, complete with valid information. Just go ahead and answer all of their questions. And once you go on and on, it gives you the, proper amount of gifts, rewards, or, profits that you are looking for. So basically, this is Payrib, and this is how easy and simple it is to use this. One final thing I'd like to discuss is that, you can always change your time zone, language, email, and display name if you want to by simply coming over to my account, and right above it is the payout option where you're going to take the money out to yourself. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Now that is Payrib, and by the end of this video, you've probably realized how easy and simple Payrib makes it to earn money. You're simply going to watch a few ads and you're going to make a lot of money out of it. And obviously, once you've made that money, you can import it straight to your account and spend it on your, life. Wherever you want to spend it, you can do that. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.